Guys, back on with freelander repairs now. After waiting nearly a week for an oil seal, we've been sent on one, so it's been a bit delayed, but we have got it and we're going to get on with it now. Hopefully get it rebuilt next couple of days. Crank oil seal in place, flywheel to go back on next. Yeah.
Not cheap, brand new.
Just got clutch put back on that, flywheel's in place, and line it all up. It's easy enough, just feel inside, feel round, make sure there's no lip anywhere, just to make sure your clutch plates are in line with everything else. And then 6 bolts holding this in place as well. Only thing you really need to remember at this point is not to fasten straight round, so to jump across in a star sort of shape, just to make sure everything tightens down straight instead of lapping round. And that clutch refitted. Just need to get gearbox back in place, a couple of locating hubs on it, slip them in place, get it bolted back up.
Looks like a work badge and that's
Probably that.
That's what we did and slapped the motor once we got it in.
And then after a smoke break and a cup of tea with the foot transfer box on, just slides over, a couple of bolts, bolt it up, simple enough job, but I forgot to roll camera, so you have to pick it up from here. Start the motor now, slips in place, 2 bolts, one on top, one underneath, hold it all in place, and we're ready to go. Now, tedious job of getting everything lined up, and start wiggling it under the car, ready to lift it up into place. Just checking all measurements, make sure we're going to clear everywhere before we start going. Lower the car on top of it and jack engine up until we can get a bracket in place. Now that's all lifted up into place, engine mountings to go in. We'll start with time inside the engine, get that bolted down, then back over this side, mount gearbox, and it's got 2 main hangers. On that note, we're going to call it tonight. Engine's all hung and secured in, plug a few more pipes in maybe, that's not very visual. So we'll leave it there, and I'll have another video up next couple of days of day 2 repairs. We're going to try and get suspension on, brakes, all plumbing, brakes, brake lines, power steering, all that sort of thing sorted. We'll get that to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.